Hi, my name's Ian Castle. I'm a professional vocal coach and performer from Australia. And I'm here to help you become a better singer. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe for more videos just like this one. Today I'm going to share an exercise that will help you create more power in your voice with no extra effort. A lot of singers, and myself included, can fall into the trap of using too much breath force to create a louder tone. When used sparingly for vocal effect and impact, your voice will be fine. But if it becomes a technique habit, you will suffer fatigue, strain, a distortion of tone, and a limited range. There is a resonance technique that you can apply to your singing that can give you up to a 20 decibel increase in volume without using any extra air. It is called twang. Some examples of twang in speech are a horse race caller or a fight announcer. Let's get ready to rumble! Twang is often confused with nasality. Listen as I vocalize the sound yeah. Yeah, yeah. You might think that that's a nasal tone. However, if I block my nose, which is a way to eliminate nasality, I can produce the same tone. Yeah, yeah. Twang is produced just above the vocal cords, using the epiglottis, so resonant sensations will be very much in your throat. The goal of the exercise we're about to do is to maintain this bright sound through a decent amount of vocal range. The exercise sounds like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Your goals for this exercise are the following. As always, prepare each starting note with a silent, open throat breath. Slide between each note to maintain chord connection. As you sing higher, don't increase your air output. Place 2 fingers gently under your larynx to monitor the resonance in your throat. And if you want to, pinch your nostrils together to make sure you are eliminating nasality. Okay, so now it's your turn. I'm going to cover a decent amount of range, as every voice is different. This is primarily a throat resonance exercise, so resist the temptation to flip into head voice. Now when you get to the point where it's a little challenging to sustain the notes, that's where you should stop and wait for the exercise to return to a more comfortable pitch. Okay, let's begin. Starting with the low voices. Yeah, 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 yeah. Higher singers, you may join in now. You don't need to force more air. Let's head back down. And we're done. Okay, so that is the exercise for developing twang. How did you go? Let me know in the comments section, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your singing friends. I'm Ian Castle, and I'll be back very soon with another 5-minute singing lesson. If you would like to take your singing to the next level with me as your vocal coach, head over to aussievocalcoach.com, where you can sign up for my free beginner and advanced vocal routines, or you can check out my vocal programs and personal coaching.